Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we uncover exciting opportunities to make money online in Kenya. Now, in today's video, we are going to explore real ways to make money online even if you have zero experience. And that's right, no prior skills or knowledge is required for these ideas. So grab your favorite beverage, get cozy, and let's dive right into it.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
The first idea, of course, is online surveys and microtasks. This is a great starting point, for those looking to make money online in Kenya with zero experience. There are several reputable websites such as Swagbucks, SurveyChangi, and Amazon Mechanical Turk that offer paid surveys and microtasks. All you have to do is sign up, fill out surveys, or complete small online tasks like data entry or transcription and get paid. While it may not make you rich, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Now, the steps to get started are simple. First, research and choose reliable survey and microtask platforms. Next, sign up and create your account. Once you do that, complete your profile to increase your chances of qualifying for surveys. And then finally, start taking surveys on or completing microtasks regularly. The next idea, of course, is freelancing. Now, if you have a skill or talent, why not leverage it to make money online in Kenya? It's an incredible opportunity to showcase your expertise and connect with clients from around the globe. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, or a programmer, there are countless freelance platforms where you can offer your services. Now, to get started in freelance writing, for example, the first step is to build your portfolio. Even if you have no prior experience, don't worry. You can create your own samples by writing articles on topics you are knowledgeable about or by guest posting on relevant blogs. This will showcase your writing style and expertise to clients. Next, it's time to find clients. Numerous websites and platforms connect freelance writers with businesses and individuals seeking their services. Some popular platforms include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Inside these platforms, create a compelling profile highlighting your skills, areas of expertise, and your past work. Additionally, actively search for job postings and submit tailored proposals to attract clients. Now, to maximize your earning potential, it's essential to specialize in a niche. By focusing on a specific industry or subject matter, you can establish yourself as an expert in that field and, of course, command higher rates. Whether it's technology, travel, health, or finance, find your niche and develop your expertise. Remember, networking is also crucial in the freelance writing world. Connect with other writers, editors, and professionals in the industry through online communities, forums, and social media platforms. Remember, building relationships can lead to referrals, collaborations, and valuable insights that can elevate your career. Now, as you gain experience and build a solid client base, it's important to set realistic rates uh, for your services. Consider factors such as complexity of the project, the time investment required, and value you bring to the table. Don't undervalue your skills. Remember, your time and expertise are valuable assets. Lastly, continuously hone your writing skills. Stay updated on the industry trends, read widely, and of course, practice regularly. The more you invest in improving your craft, the more valuable you become as a freelance writer. Freelance writing offers flexibility, allowing you to work from anywhere and at any time. However, it requires discipline, time management, and ability to meet deadlines consistently. But of course, with dedication, perseverance, and commitment, delivering high quality work, you can carve out a successful career as a freelance writer. The next way you can make money online in Kenya without experience is through affiliate marketing. This is a powerful strategy that allows you to earn passive income by promoting other people's products or services. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or deal with customer support. So how does this actually work? Well, it all starts with finding the right affiliate programs to join. There are numerous affiliate networks and individual companies that offer affiliate partnerships here in Kenya. All you have to do is look for reputable and reliable programs that align with your interests and target audience. Now, while you do that, consider factors such as commission rates, product quality, and of course the support provided by the affiliate program. Now, once you've chosen an affiliate program, it's time to select the products or services you want to promote. While at it, focus on offerings that resonate with your audience and are relevant to your content. For example, if you have a fitness focused channel or a blog, you might consider promoting workout equipments, nutritional supplements, or fitness apparel. Remember, authenticity and relevance are key when selecting affiliate products. Next, it's time to create compelling content that showcases the benefits and features of the product you're promoting. This could take the form of product reviews, tutorials, comparison videos, or even engaging blog posts. The goal is to provide valuable information and genuinely help your audience make an informed purchasing decisions. Now comes the crucial part, including your unique affiliate links. These links contain a special tracking code that identifies you as the affiliate marketer. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Make sure to disclose your affiliate partnerships transparently and comply with the relevant disclosure guidelines. To maximize your success in affiliate marketing in Kenya, it's essential to build trust with your audience. Provide honest and unbiased reviews. Offer valuable insights and always prioritize your audience's needs and interest. Remember, building a loyal following takes time and consistent effort, but it's the foundation for long-term success in this field. Additionally, consider implementing effective marketing strategies to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This could involve leveraging social media platforms, optimizing your website for search engines, running paid advertising campaigns, or even collaborating with other content creators in your niche in Kenya. Experiment with different approaches and, of course, track your results to refine your marketing efforts. Now, as your audience grows and you gain more experience in affiliate marketing, you'll have the opportunity to explore advanced strategies such as email marketing, building sales funnels, and of course, creating your own digital products or courses. And the possibilities are endless and the earning potential is limitless. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. The next thing, of course, is to start your YouTube channel. Now, let's shift our focus to an incredibly popular and lucrative method of making money online in Kenya, that's starting your own YouTube channel. With its massive reach and potential for monetization, YouTube has become a platform where individuals can share their passions, expertise, and creativity while earning income. Starting a YouTube channel in Kenya allows you to showcase your unique personality and talents to a global audience. Now, whether you are passionate about beauty, gaming, cooking, travel, or any other niche, YouTube offers a platform to connect with like-minded individuals and share your experience. To get started, think about what sets you apart and what value you can bring to your viewers. Identify your niche and the target audience. This will help you create content that resonates with your viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Invest in quality equipment to ensure your videos have a professional look and sound, because a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup can go a long way in enhancing the overall production value of your content. However, remember that content is king, so focus on delivering engaging and valuable videos. Now, consistency is key on YouTube. Develop a content schedule and stick to it. Whether you choose to upload videos weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, make sure you provide regular and reliable content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Promote your YouTube channel on other social media platforms to expand your reach and attract new viewers. Utilize the power of Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and other platforms to create buzz around your content and engage with your audience. And as your channel grows and meets YouTube's requirements, you'll have the opportunity to monetize your content through YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to earn money through advertisements that play before, during, or alongside your videos. Additionally, you can explore other revenue streams such as sponsored content, merchandise sales, and of course brand partnerships. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and perseverance. Don't get discouraged by initial slow growth or low view counts. Stay focused on creating high quality content, engaging with your audience, and continuously improving your skills. Remember, YouTube is not just about making money. It's about sharing your passion, connecting with others, and of course, building a community. Now, interact with your viewers through comments, create engaging discussions, and listen to their feedback. Building a loyal and supportive community is one of the most rewarding aspects of being a content creator. Final segment, let's explore the world of virtual assistants, a versatile and in-demand field that offers a great earning potential. If you have excellent organizational skills, attention to detail, and a knack of multitasking, becoming a virtual assistant can be a fantastic way to make money online in Kenya. As a virtual assistant, you'll provide remote administrative, technical, or creative support to individuals or businesses. The tasks you may handle can vary widely, including managing emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, social media management, content creation, customer support, and much more. To get started as a virtual assistant in Kenya, it's important to identify your skills and areas of expertise. Determine the type of services you can offer based on your strengths and interests. This will help you target the right clients and stand out in the competitive virtual assistance market. Create a professional online presence by developing a website or online portfolio that highlights your skills, experience, and services you offer. This will serve as a platform to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. Utilize social media platforms to network and engage with individuals or businesses seeking virtual assistance. Now, there are various online platforms and job boards are dedicated to connecting virtual assistants with clients. Some of the most popular ones include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You need to sign up on these platforms, create a compelling profile, and actively search for job postings that align with your skills and interest. Remember, building relationships with clients is crucial for success as a virtual assistant. Communicate effectively, be reliable, and deliver high quality work. Provide excellent customer service, strive to exceed client expectations. Satisfied clients can lead to long-term working relationships and referrals, which can greatly enhance your earning potential. Additionally, continuously update your skills and stay up to date with the latest tools, software used in the virtual assistant field. This will make you more efficient and versatile, allowing you to offer a wider range of services to your clients. One of the advantages of being a virtual assistant is the flexibility it offers. You can work from the comfort of your own home, set your own hours, and of course have control over your workload. However, it's important to establish boundaries and manage your time effectively to maintain a healthy work-life balance. As you gain experience and expand your client base, you can consider specializing in a specific niche or offering premium services to command higher rates. Developing expertise in a particular industry or skill can help you stand out and attract higher paying clients. There you have it, guys. Real ways to make money online in Kenya, even if you have zero experience. From online surveys and microtasking to freelancing, affiliate marketing, and virtual assistance. These opportunities are accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Remember, it's not about overnight success, but consistent effort, and dedication. So take action, explore these avenues, and unlock your online earning potential. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our informative videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and keep hustling.